Welcome back to my channel. Early years facilitators, do you want to have an amazing academic year? In this video, I will be sharing some information on why it is important to establish routines at the start of the academic year. Before your students start learning, it is important to establish routines. Routines must be clearly taught, frequently reinforced, and consistently maintained. This will require your time and dedication, but believe me when I say it, it will be well worth it. Number 1, avoid stress. Students require structure and familiarity in order to prepare for their day. Imagine starting each day not knowing what you will do. That can be difficult for some of us, and our students, they are no exception. I am certain that none of us want to have a classroom full of stressful students. Number 2, build confidence. Routine allows our students to feel confident and secure in their daily tasks. Every teacher wishes for a classroom full of confident learners. Number 3, security. Routine provides young children with a sense of security and control over their surroundings. Children feel safe and secure when their lives are orderly. They will gain control and learn what to expect at different times of the day by developing a predictable routine. Number 4, hinder negative behavior. Established routines help children emotionally as they prepare for each task that they have to accomplish. This will ultimately direct their focus and reduce behavioral issues. Number 5, and this one is my favorite, build positive relationships. Having established routines will promote a healthy relationship between you and your students. When students are aware of what is happening and what is expected of them, they are likely to respond positively whenever they notice a shift in their regular routine. Ultimately, routine informs students of exactly what to expect, what is expected of them, and it also helps to create smooth transitions between activities and therefore allow fewer opportunities for disruption in your classroom. Guess what? I want you to look in the description section below and you will see a sample of my routine that I've been using for the past 2 years. Don't be that teacher without established routines in your classroom. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos. See you soon.